Hey Ross, want to see the new house? You want to go? Do Hey, just getting started, man. Come on. There's no yawning. There's no yawning in construction. Kitchen, 18 foot 3 3/4. Alright, so this is exactly like we planned it, Ross, man. 18 foot 3 3/4. Okay, so from here all the way to the wall is the new kitchen.
That is really exciting.
That's really sweet.
I'm speechless.
Okay, and then the island will be 3 feet off of here. See, now you kind of get why we're doing this? Does it make sense? Seriously?
Yeah. I appreciate it so much because I can't visualize it from just looking at the floor plans.
So the kitchen cabinets are 24 deep and then a 3-foot aisle. So 2 and 3 is 5.
Is that a standard island size?
What?
24?
Well, 24 is the depth. So that's standard cabinet depth.
Okay.
Yeah, so like these cabinets are 24 deep. But a lot of times what you'll see in an island is 24-inch deep cabinet, but then a 36 wide countertop so that your knees can sit under and it's like a breakfast bar.
Right.
But because behind you we have the staircase coming up, it narrows this part of the room, so we're doing like more like a worktop serving island. And then we'll have the long dining table, kind of where you're standing now. Mark, 24-inch. Okay. So this is cabinet depth off the rear wall. This is the walking aisle between the kitchen and the. See, I'm already thinking that's too narrow. I think I'm probably going to want to widen that up. Walk through there and tell me what you think. You go through there. You think that's too narrow?
It's too narrow because if I imagine the cabinet open from here at the end, it feels pretty tight. Yeah, it feels tight.
So what we have at home now is 40. So it's another 4
And this
inches.
is 36, you said?
Yeah.
So I feel like those 4 inches make a big difference.
All right, so let's reset that then. Watch, Ross. Watch, buddy. Do you think you need 13 feet on the island? And by the way, I'm fine with it. I don't have an issue either way. I'm just asking the question.
How big is?
I mean, we have there's a reason for every cabinet. And don't forget, we don't have uppers here.
Oh, then we definitely need.
Okay.
God, it's so helpful to see it.
Yeah. Okay, so then we'll go from the end of the kitchen. Oh, yeah, I taped it. So we'll go from the end of the kitchen now to the living room wall. So 15'6" from the window. Can you do double duty, camera woman?
Yeah.
I just need you to put your foot on this tape.
Oh, sure.
Right
Multitask.
there. any wall separating this. So this whole space will feel this big. This is the first wall you're gonna hit from the back of the building. It's just that the kitchen will obviously be here, you know?
Wow.
Huh?
It feels massive.
Yeah, well, it's over 30 feet. That's the end of the kitchen.
Do you want another cup of coffee? Be
Let's
there in 30 seconds.
get the staircase in too. Feels awfully wide.
Picture us bringing our bags up and, you know, suitcase
true.
in each hand,
Yeah,
groceries.
we'll leave it. Yeah, we're over 10 feet for dining. That's great. We're fine. Cool. So this is where we find out if I did a good job drawing the plan on the scale. Bingo.
All right.
Dead on. Dead on. That's why I love Chief Architect. Everything's scaled. As long as you did your initial measurements right, that's... I'm gonna be selfish for a minute. I'm really excited about this. I don't know about my office. This is my office.
Let's show them.
This is gonna be freaking awesome. Fire pole will be here. Desk under the window. With all the shades. What do you think of the guest bedroom size?
I'm really shocked at how big it feels. Looking at it on the plans, it feels so much smaller. It's so crazy to see it mapped out. I think I'd be a very happy guest sleeping in that big of a room.
Yeah, I'm really happy with how this is all feeling. Yeah, there's all that room. That's the powder room. The clock. Actually, we should tape that out. I can't just take it for granted. I can't. We gotta do it. So, all right. So this is the staircase, landing. This is the bar run. This is the elevator closet, powder room, second bath.
It's good.
Yeah, it feels good. I'm a little concerned that the bathroom's too shallow.
Feels tight.
So really quick, it's not rocket science. You need to know how to read a tape measure and you need to know how to read measurements off of plans. And literally, it is blue painter's tape on the floor. There's nothing fancy about it, but this saves you a ton of headache and time moving your project forward. So standing in my office, great, feels awesome. So from this blue line to this blue line, now we're in the guest room. From there, we step into the living room. That feels awesome. I know where the kitchen starts. We adjusted the island a little bit, so now we've got a 40-inch walkway instead of 36, which makes both of us much happier. And we found that we have a little bit extra dining space in the dining room, so we're not really concerned about losing those 4 inches coming this way. We can adjust the staircase as necessary. Top of the staircase, right here. And then this is the landing, and then begins the bar, closet, powder room, bathroom, and we're done up here.
You said it's so easy. You have to be able to read a measuring tape and have blue tape, painter's tape.
Yeah,
I can do, I understand one of those two things.
that's why you have me. But if not, you have to Google how to read a measuring tape.